University.
Oh, he didn't.
Expect such cool conditions.
Yeah. No, I just asked him. He said he would take.
Mom's crying over here because we left our kiddos. Oh, she only loves Luke, she said.
No, Luke was very sad when we left.
He was very sad, but he's outside playing now. He'll be okay. Yeah, so you want to take the whole family to Mexico next time? Just a few days. We're on the plane. The Fletchers, they're having their Mexico vacay. Yo, Fletchers! Vacay. We're friends, we know each other. We met in the security line. Alright, babe, it's like the.
We'll be taking off soon. Once again, please make sure your license, electronic devices are unplugged from the outlet, turned off the stove. While lightweight devices or food and beverage items must be collected or put away for departure.
Walking hand in hand on the ocean floor, down deep we wander. Louder we sing, no there is no cure in this together. I don't wanna tell you that it's not real. Nothing is a fairy tale. Everything about you is so one, really won't be pretty when it ends. Now how could I leave?
We're in Mexico, babe. What do you think? Watch that step. Don't fall. We're in Puerto Vallarta. Puerto Vallarta. We're in Puerto Vallarta. This is awesome.
Diamond number ones, I think.
So we're pretty sure David and I get one of these. And jet skis. So I think we're gonna come back here and lay out in one of those beds. David's already being asked if he wants to buy cigars. We've been here for like 10 minutes. Look at that view though.
I think you got it on camera too, by the way. No? Anything else?
It was not cigars.
No, those are cigars. You said if you need anything else, let me know. Maybe we?
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Well, we made it. We'd be asked that in Cleveland too. Thank you. What else? Wings. Only the best wings in Mexico. What you got?
Get a hamburger.
And I got the Mexican pizza. But I'm nervous. So I'll be eating those and this. Bathtub. Yeah, it's a terrace room with a king bed. Can we turn on lights in here? We'll step out here and drink our coffee. Well, I'll drink coffee. And then we have like a second balcony or a second story. Jeez. The jacuzzi tub. This is pretty.
Just the extended water.
Yeah. See, that is a part of the Hilton.
some food. Here comes Mom, the waitress. That looks disgusting.
What?
Sí, gracias.
We just ate for a second. David ate for a second time. And we're watching the storm roll in. That is really pretty over there. It's like hot pink. If anything's pink, I like it. I like it a lot. Look at that. I wonder if this is like a common occurrence in Puerto Vallarta.
Storms?
Yeah.
I think they have storms down there.
No, remember Los Cabos? They didn't like have any. That family's like really going to town on the picture too. So funny. That's what we're gonna be like if we bring the kids back. Ah! David!
Me?
Are you having fun?
Yes, I got some food in me. I'm not a big ground, but
Better not be the rest of the trip or else I'm not bringing you next time.
I'm like Kevin from The Office had second dinner. Wow, did you get that?
Yeah.